from Bombay, and she went to this school and she went to this college, and she did all of this. I was like, are you sure you want me to do this? I was like, this is a huge responsibility because she's this person, and I'm just an ordinary girl from JVPD scheme. And she's like, but she was an ordinary girl as well from Bombay. And I said, okay, I think I should do it. I said, it's scary, but I'm going to do it. And after that, I was like, I better give this like 3,000%. Because not because of anything, I just think because you owe it to her memory. And I think after I met her family, I was like, I owe it to her family to just be as honest as possible and do my very, very best. So.
Sonam, on your right. Yeah. Congratulations for the launch and for the trailer.
Thank you.
The trailer is very nice. My question to you is, has playing Neerja strained you? Because the character seems like very, physically and emotionally challenging. So has it strained you?
Strain me in what? No, I think anything emotionally challenging kind of makes you grow as a human being. So I don't think it's anything negative has come out of it. I think it's only positive, because you learn how to be better through everything, and especially if something pushes you beyond a certain limit. And I think that's what it is. So everything that playing Neerja Bhanot is brought into my life has been positive, nothing negative. So it's not strained me, it's just made me stronger.
राम जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. राम जी,
इतनी लाइट है, हमें कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
आप कहाँ हो?
हाँ, मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है कि नीरजा के जाने के बाद भी उनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनका बहुत स्ट्रगल रहा है उसे वो पहचान दिलाने की जो लोग धीरे धीरे भूलते जा रहे थे. हम लोग उस समय यंग जर्नलिस्ट थे और वो आके हमें बताया करते थे कि हम लोग इनके नाम पर एक अवार्ड रखने वाले हैं, जिससे जो आगे आने वाली पीढ़ी है और उसमें अगर कोई और नीरजा बनती है तो हम लोग उन्हें सम्मानित करेंगे और सारा चीज़. तो क्या उसकी उस जर्नी को भी आपने दिखाया है?
जी, आप पिक्चर तो देखना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको पता चलेगा. लेकिन what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let Akhil and Anish also just speak about from the family's perspective. और जी, हमने definitely family. This film is a family film. It is a film that speaks about how we can all deal with what we go through in tough times, and that is why I said it is a mother and daughter story. I'm going to give the mic to Akhil. Anish, okay.
Okay, I just talk about the trailer, which you just saw. Quite a few years ago, Sonam came home, and the minute she walked into the drawing room, my mother said, "Eta laddu hai hai. She is Neerja." Today, after seeing this trailer, I said, "This is the movie." So when Atul said, "How did we trust him?" We just trust our first-time producer. Well, there it is. Why we trusted him, and I think it's going to be a brilliant movie. And coming to the award, yes, certainly we have an award every year, and in fact, the next award ceremony is on January 13th in Chandigarh. Earlier, it was held in Bombay when we guys were in Bombay. Now it is held in Chandigarh every year.
Okay. सोनम, आपसे एक सवाल है. नीरजा ने बहुत छोटी उम्र में बहुत अलग अलग तरह की जिंदगी जी है. उसका जो पर्सनल फ्रंट था वो थोड़ा कुछ उथल पुथल भरा था, और घर में तो खैर वो लाडली थी, लाडो थी, लेकिन उसकी जो निजी जिंदगी थी उसमें उथल पुथल थी. और फिर वो उसने जो इतना कमाल की चीज़ की और हमारे देश का इतना बड़ा सम्मान उसने हासिल किया. शायद वो सबसे छोटी उम्र की लड़की थी जिसने ये सम्मान हासिल किया. तो आपके लिए इस सारी जर्नी में सबसे डिफिकल्ट क्या चीज़ रही करनी एक्टिंग में?
It's sitting here right now.
Sonam, hi Sonam.
Hi.
Yeah.
I can't see you. Where are you?
On your left.
Sorry.
सोनम, फिल्म के लिए हाँ बोलने से पहले क्या आपने नीरजा के बारे में पढ़ा था, सुना था, या फिर फिल्म करने के बाद आपको मतलब क्या फीलिंग थी जब आप फिल्म कंप्लीट हुई, वो एहसास कैसा था आपके मन में? और राम से ये सवाल है कि राम, बहुत सारी बायोपिक बनती है बॉलीवुड में, लेकिन बहुत सारी लिबर्टीज ली जाती हैं और बहुत अपनी तरफ से बहुत इमेजिनरी चीजें ऐड की जाती हैं। तो आपने कितनी लिबर्टी ली है इस बायोपिक में, और आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँ।
I'll let Sonam answer first.
No, please don't do that. I think, Ram had told me something and I laughed at him. I said, nahi, aisa nahi hoga. Because when we were shooting in the plane, every day I used to be like, oh God, I'm out of the plane. And by the end of the schedule, I'm so sorry. I said, I can't, thank you, Ram. I said, I can't believe I get to leave this plane. And nobody else, and she didn't. So I think that's what you get out of something like this.